So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna go through my trading day today. I won a trade, so I wanna walk you through it. How did I take it, why did I take it, and what was my confluences. So let's get into this day. I will remove every drawing here. So coming into the day I was pretty bearish because we had this low here and we had this 4 hour. And we also had these 1 hour lows here, which I wanted to target. I will mark those out. Okay, this one and this one I wanted to target. And at market open, we just started to rally higher here. We went up like a lot, like, I don't know, like a 200-point move around that. Yeah, around 200 point. Then I was like, okay, we had the Asia high resting right here. I was like, okay, we might take that. ES came close to this Asia high, which you can see right now. It is here somewhere, and it creates equal highs. I was like, okay, I'm willing to take longs there if we can hold this 5-minute gap. But we obviously, you can see, we did not hold it. We did inverse it to the downside pretty aggressively. We took out these lows like instantly. So then I was waiting. We had this retracement to the, I was still bearish, by the way. We had this retracement to the 5-minute here, but I did not like this that much. I like the idea of the retracement because we had 10 a.m. open and I wanted to see price come higher if we wanted to take some sort of shorts, but we were just too low for me. We had a great 2-minute inversion. I would have put my break even here, so it would have got break even, but it was not the best trade. I did not take it. But after that, we came down, we left this low here. I was like, okay, we created a 15-minute gap above the previous 5-minute. So I was like, okay, we could come back to this 15-minute and I want to short from there. We came back. We also tapped the midpoint of the range perfectly. We just tapped it and then started to come lower, and we had this 3-minute inversion down here, a 3-minute gap down here, which I wanted to see get inversed here. I will highlight it with orange, okay. And I want to see a good reaction of this 15-minute to these lows, and we did get this reaction, and I went in here, targeted these lows. I got a pretty good feel up here somewhere. I had a 0.9 R, not the best, but I'll take it. And I also accidentally entered off of this candle because on my screen it was already closed, but then when the next candle opened, it just went up, and I was like instantly coming out of the trade and went back in right here. And in my opinion, this was the best trade of the day. This was the best trade to take. Here we had a pretty good 3-minute, but we left the Asia highs, and we were pretty bullish at that point. So I was looking for longs there. But when we came down and we created this structure, I was like, okay, we are probably will be bearish, and I want to take some sort of shorts if we can come back higher a little bit, hopefully to the midpoint. I like when the retracement happens to the equilibrium of the range. It is one of the best like confluences for me. So yeah, this was my trading day. I made $450 across my three Apex accounts. The only problem with this trade was that I had pretty big stop loss, and I have a my funded futures account too, which has like 200 and something. No, not really. I have $180 of drawdown, and I only want to risk like $100 on a trade to make it two trades. I don't want to lose it with one trade, so yeah. So I was not able to take this trade on that account, but it's okay. Yeah, volatility is just too high the past few weeks, so we have to be a little bit careful. But what we can learn from this, we had to be patient here, because if you want to put your break-evens when we take out a swing low, this might get stopped out, you know. We are too far down, so it's better to see some sort of bigger retracement to the midpoint of the range, at least, in my opinion. So yeah, patience always pays. I had to learn this the hard way, so I hope you guys learned it, or you don't need the hard way to learn it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you did like it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.